So now we have done the warm-up, let's have a look at our learning intention today, which is, can I add equal groups together? We're doing this so we can find the total of those groups. So the things we need to remember, how many things are in one group. Then we need to work out how many groups there are. And we need to think about if, for example, in one group there are two, say 2 balls in a bag. There are 6 groups of those bags of balls, so we're counting the number 2 6 times. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And those are the steps we can use when solving these different questions today. Now we are going to be doing 2 lessons on this. I just want to go through with it sort of very slowly and go over it again, because when we come to multiplication, this really helps.